there, little artists! Welcome back to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we're drawing something sweet and fun, yummy ice cream. Ready to start? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Let's grab our markers and get drawing. Let's begin with our first ice cream. Draw a rounded rectangle right in a side of your paper. This will be our popsicle. Add a handle at the bottom. It's what we hold when eating this yummy treat. Now for the second ice cream. This one will look like a slice of watermelon. Start by drawing a triangle shape with a handle at the bottom. Then add some little seeds inside the triangle to make it look just like a watermelon slice. Let's draw our last ice cream. It's another popsicle, but this time it has a creamy layer on top. Draw a rounded rectangle with a handle again, just like the first one. Let's make them stand out by going over all the lines with a bold black marker. This will make our drawing pop. Yummy! Wow, our ice creams are looking delicious already. It's time to color our ice creams. Grab your color pens because we're using beautiful rainbow colors to make them bright and fun. Let's color together and say the colors with me. Red color. Orange color.
Awesome!
Yellow color.
Awesome!
Green color.
Wow!
Bottle green color.
Cool!
Blue color.
Awesome!
Purple color.
Wow!
Brown color. Our ice creams are going to look so colorful and delicious. Wow! Look at how amazing our ice creams turned out. They look so tasty with all those rainbow colors. Great job, everyone! See you next time, little artists. Bye-bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.